In Windows Mixed Reality, the motion controllers are used to represent a user's hands. The controllers can allow you to interact with your virtual world in an intuitive and natural way. In this introduction, we'll set up Unity for Windows Mixed Reality app development by adding the Mixed Reality camera and configuring the appropriate settings. Let's start by launching Unity and opening the course project. Go to the Build settings and switch the platform to Universal Windows Platform. Make sure the Unity C# Projects box is checked. Then, in the player settings, make sure Virtual Reality Supported is checked, and Windows Mixed Reality is the selected SDK. Add a new scene, and then delete the default camera and light. Add in the Mixed Reality camera, and then the environment prefab. In the lighting settings, change the skybox material to skybox gray. Finally, let's save our work in the Scenes folder as My Scene. We're now ready to add motion controllers to our project.